student, welcome to chapter 2 of the class for business law foundation level examination. So in this chapter we'll be talking about the function of law. The function of law, like we discussed in chapter 1, whereby we define the concept of law to be as what? The set of rules that are what? Enforceable by courts to regulate the government of a state, the relationship between the state and its citizens, and also from one citizen to another. So these rules and regulation are what? Are to guide human conduct. So laws are what? Are rules and regulation that are used to guide human conduct in a society. So now we want to talk about the function of that law. Alright, so the purpose of law is to maintain the order of the country despite changes in leadership. So you can see that one purpose of law is to what? Is to maintain order of the country despite changes in leadership. Whether the government changes, so like the law is still the same, it will what? It is used to maintain order. So below are the functions of law in the state. So number one is that the law regulates conduct of who? Conduct of the citizens, conduct of the government, conduct of those who